If you want to create a map of the Roman Empire, the Third Reich at the beginning of World War II, or even a map of the Inca Empire, stay until the end of this video because I'll show you how to do that using Geolayers. In this example, we'll create West and East Germany after 1945. As always, go to a new project and choose a map style. I'm choosing the satellite style and then click Create. Now, click next to the Geolayers tab, the three lines, and choose Preferences. Here, scroll down to Feature Search and click the plus sign to add a new feature. Click on GitHub repo and paste this link, which you can find in the description. On the right side of the link, type Master. This refers to the master branch of the GitHub repository, which contains the main version of the map files. Click Apply. Now, in the search bar of World Map Comp, type 1960. This is one of the maps available in the GitHub link. Click on the World 1960 map. Now, under the filter search, type Germany. And you'll find East and West Germany. Draw both features. Position them on the map and click Finalize to improve quality. Now, if you want to move or remove the names of countries or cities from the map, go to Settings and under Map Comp Labels, click Edit Labels. Unselect all content that you don't want to be shown and click Apply. You can also remove the text from the bottom left corner by clicking the Attribution dropdown and selecting None. Click Apply again. Now you can change the colors for East and West Germany. I'm choosing red for East and blue for West. Next, add a Lumetri color effect to World Map Comp. Under Creative, look for the Look preset and select Monochrome Kodak. Now the world map is black and white. Select both Germany layers and change their blend mode. In this case, I choose Linear Light. Now we can add borders to our countries. To do this, type Germany again under the filter search and draw both countries once more. You should add a stroke to both new layers and remove the fill. Let's set the stroke to 10. Actually, maybe 25 looks better. Next, go under the West Germany layer, click Add, and then select Trim Path. Click the stopwatch next to End. In the first frame, set it to 0. Move to 2 seconds on the timeline and set End to 100. Now move back to the first frame and copy the trim path from West Germany to East Germany. Now you have something like this. Select both keyframes, right-click, and choose Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. Do this for both layers. Now we'll animate the first two layers we added to the model. Select them and press T on your keyboard to open opacity. On the first frame, click the stopwatch and set it to 0. Move to 2 seconds on the timeline and set it to 100. We can now animate our camera. Go to the first frame and set up your camera position. When you're happy with it, click to create a keyframe. Go to the 5-second mark and do it again. What I prefer to do, though it's not necessary and requires an extra plugin, is add a deep glow effect. If you have it, search for deep glow in effects and add it to your stroke layers. You can adjust the parameters, but in this case, the default settings work fine. In the end, you get an animation like this. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe.